my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. You can please hit that subscribe button, that would help me out a lot, and also click the little bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. Like today, I usually post Fridays for Food Friday on here, but that's what you gotta have your notifications on, because sometimes I won't even tell you guys. I'll just put up a video just like this. In honor of hitting 10K, well now we're at like 14K on Instagram, I decided to put a way to pair this good news with a frappe de mazapan. So there's this lady out in where I'm from, right, out in Mexico, and she makes different types of frappes. Frappe is like one of my favorites. It's a mazapan frappuccino and it's so delicious. So I'm gonna show you guys how I decided to put my little twist on it, because obviously things in Mexico taste way different than things here in the United States. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my version of the mazapan frappuccino here in the United States, where I live, here. If you have kids, this is gonna be like their favorite snack. It does have a little bit of sugar. Like I said before, I told you guys that I just show you guys how I make my recipes. You guys could go ahead and take off, add, you know, whatever you guys want and moderate them to your lifestyle and your liking. But anyways, without any further ado, let's get on to today's video. Alright guys, this is what I use for my frappuccino, for my mazapan frappuccino. So obviously you're gonna need some mazapanes, some whipped cream, Cool Whip, evaporated milk, and some ice. This evaporated milk, I actually put it in my fridge so it could be a little more chilly. This as well, frozen. But I just put it in my fridge and I chilled it, and it's delicious. And you guys, you just gotta trust me on this, okay? You could use a Cool Whip, or if you want, you could try and put vanilla ice cream, but I find that it's too sweet for my liking. But I mean, as I told you guys before, make the recipe your own. I just give you, you know, some tips and tricks here and there. Let's get our blender. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Cool Whip. A cup of evaporated milk. Some ice. You could add or take off ice depending on how you want it, how chunky you want it, how smooth you want it. Of course, you're gonna add your mazapanes. I've noticed that if I put 2 mazapanes, it's really sweet, but I mean, as I said before, it's to your liking. So I'm just gonna put 1.5 mazapanes, and if it needs more, then, you know, just put more, but I'm just gonna put like 1.5 of one. So the cool thing about this blender is that it has the smoothie setting, the frozen drink setting or smoothie setting, and it like takes little intervals. But if you don't have it, just go ahead and press pulse, you know, until it reaches your desired consistency. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put this is where you could see if you need more ice, if you want more vanilla ice cream, if you're going the vanilla ice cream route, if you want to put some more Cool Whip on it, this is when you could see. So get your cup. I have this Cars cup from when we went to Disneyland, and I just love it. It's like so cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my mixture in, as I said before, to your desired consistency. This, to me, I think it's like the best consistency. Add some whipped cream. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Remember that mazapan that you didn't use completely? I'm just gonna go ahead and crumble some on top. Just like that. With a metal straw. And there you have it, you guys. Let's give it a little taste to see how it came out. Like this. I feel it doesn't need more sugar. I feel it doesn't need anything else. But again, this is the consistency that I like my little frappuccino to be. I mean, you guys make this your own. Don't forget to tag me over on Instagram so you can be featured on my next video, just like this gal right here. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. If you guys have another recipe that you would like to see from me, just let me know in the comments or on Instagram. I will leave all the details down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!